Hey, I'm going to do a review of the Fisher F2 metal detector. Hope you check it out.
Okay, here we're looking at the face of the F2 metal detector. It's a pretty simple detector to use, really great detector for the beginner. And let me show you some of the features. Here's the power button. See that it's got a large, easy to read display, and it's got all of your categories at the top. Your sensitivities here on the left. You can run that thing wide open if you're not near any big electrical devices. And let's give you, here's a zinc target I found. When you're over a target, you get a numerical reading, and then you see the category above zinc is highlighted. Jumping a little bit. There's that. And on this side, you've got your discrimination button. And really, as you go up, you can just discriminate out items. It's that simple. Let's get rid of that. We went past that zinc. Same target. Nothing there. And just scroll down. Bring them back in. You can leave whatever you want off. Iron's off. We're picking up the zinc target again. Okay, we'll go everything back in. You also have a notch feature. Push the notch button and scroll through using the discrimination. There's the zinc. We'll hit notch again. That should be gone. Let's go over that target. Yeah, nothing there. Hit notch again. Work our way up. Notch everything back in there. It's good to go. There it is. Pretty sweet. Hey, I'm back with the F2. I forgot to show you the pinpoint feature. You got a button here when you find a target. So I've got a nickel on the ground. Just go to your pinpoint, and the closer to your object, you'll get a little bit louder and you'll get a depth reading. That'll be right in the center of the round coil. Which is pretty cool. And here's a few targets I've got set up. You got a nail, a penny, a nickel, dime, quarter, and a silver dollar. Let's go over these really fast, and I'll let you get an idea of the target separation. So you can see this machine resets itself very quickly, which is good when you've got targets close together. And you get different tones for different targets. This nail's like kind of steel, but it kind of jumps around a little bit. You get a lower tone for iron, and then silver, you get a high tone. Nickel, you get a medium tone. And you get different values displayed on the detector. Silver, you're getting a really high number with that. The 97, 95, quarter, 80, 82, dime, 70, 71, nickel. You're getting lower, 32. It's really reading that pretty well. And penny, it's a copper penny, so it's reading like a dime. And then you've got your iron nail, which is, well, this one, I think I'm too close to the penny, but you get a low reading. And one tip for beginners is aluminum cans can read a very high tone, but they read extremely shallow. So if you get a tone that's reading 0 and you dig down an inch or so and you don't find anything, it's probably got a can down there. It could be 6+ inches and it'll read super shallow. So if you have a pinpointer, it's a good idea to, when you get a target that's reading like 0 depth or 1 inch, to rub that thing on the spot. And if you dig down an inch or two and don't find anything, you probably got an aluminum can. Alright, I was going to show you guys a quick error test on this unit. Let me turn it on and get it cranked up. This is a maximum sensitivity. It's an 8.5 by 11 inch a piece of paper marked off in 1-inch increments, and I've got a penny to start off with. Pretty strong at 6. Say right at 6 on the penny. Let's do a nickel. Get it barely 7 inches and getting it pretty good. Dime. Six inches good. Looks like 6 inches is good on the dime. Let's do the quarter. There's 5. There's 6. There's 7. Get a chirp at 8. But 7 looks like a really strong repeatable signal. Here's a 50-cent piece, just a clad coin. 6, 7, 8. 8's about the limit on that. Here's the 1896 silver dollar. Eight inches getting it. 9 inches gone. And here's a large clad silver dollar. Six, 7, 8. So 8 inches looks like about the maximum depth on here. Here's an aluminum can. Let's see what that does. Yeah, that's gonna get crazy. 9, 10, over 12. Yeah, we're leaving it. We're like 15 inches, 16 inches on that can. So those are always fun. So if you start going deep, like I said, with the aluminum and getting a quarter or dime reading, yeah. If you don't find it within 7 inches, you know it's definitely something like a large piece of metal. That's the end of that portion. Well, there's a quick look at the Fisher F2. I really think it's a great machine for a beginner or someone who doesn't want to spend a whole lot of money to get into metal detecting. I mean, you'll find a lot of stuff with it. You saw on the air test, I mean, it will pick up stuff in the ground, definitely at 6 inches. This was my first metal detector, and you know, I really enjoyed it. I found a lot of stuff. I mean, there's tons and tons of coins. I mean, it's definitely a coin magnet, and even a few silver coins. You know, I got lucky, found some silver dimes, quarters, a Merc. I mean, I'm loving that machine. I guess I'm going to upgrade to a nicer one. And I hope this has been informative and that everybody likes it. Thanks.